Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about the reasons why you should eat onions. Let's get started. Onion nutritional value. The nutritional composition of an onion is quite interesting. The scientific name of the onion plant is Allium cepa. Onions are full of antioxidants and contain a number of sulfur-containing compounds. This definitely makes this vegetable appealing. Onions are found in many different sizes and can be eaten raw or cooked. A medium-sized onion is composed of water, fiber, and carbohydrates, protein, omega-6, fiber and sugar. Onions also contain multiple vitamins and minerals. They are a good source of vitamin B and B6, vitamin B9, vitamin C, folate, and potassium. There are multiple phytonutrients that are found in onions. Anthocyanins, quercetin, sulfur compounds, and thiosulfonates. Below are the benefits of using onions in details. Number 1. Stronger immunity. Onions are one of these natural ways to build a stronger immunity. The vitamin C present in onions is the reason onions are believed to protect us from many diseases. The phytonutrients present in onions help the antioxidant properties of the vegetable to take full effect. Number 2. Relieve cough and cold symptoms. When suffering from a cough or flu virus, we often brew teas to find some solace. It is recommended to add an onion in hot water when preparing tea. Onion juice added to honey can also be taken to help reduce any swelling in your throat. Number 3. Pain relief. I still remember being advised by my grandmother to rub a sliced onion on the affected area if stung by a blue bottle or a bee or when I scraped my knee. I do not know how that worked, but it did provide instant relief. Same goes for ear irritation. Add a few onion juice to a cotton pad and apply it on your ear to get rid of the pain and discomfort. Number 4. Antifungal and antimicrobial. Not only do onions prevent infections and viral diseases from entering the body, they also help fight the bacteria present in our mouths. Some people recommend chewing an onion in the morning for 3 minutes to get rid of the bacteria in the mouth. Number 5. Anti-aging. Aging is caused by the accumulation of the harmful elements that our skin absorbs and also by the effects of free radicals. Onions, with their detoxifying and antioxidant properties, help slow down the aging process. Number 6. Hair growth. There are many hair masks that can be made with onions to apply, which you can apply to your hair and scalp. Not only are onions known to promote hair growth, but is also a good remedy for dandruff. Mixing onion juice with yogurt and leaving it on the hair for half an hour strengthen your hair and cleanse your scalp. Number 7. Diabetes management. The biggest problem in managing diabetes is maintaining a safe blood sugar level. Raw onion consumption is recommended to keep your sugar levels in check and prevent them from getting out of hand. Number 8. Healthy digestion. It is rich in dietary fiber, which acts as a natural laxative and ensures comfortable bowel movements. Fiber helps clean the intestines and remove waste from the body. Onions also contain saponins that help relieve stomach aches and cramps. Number 9. Prevent cancer. Onions contain phytonutrients such as quercetin and other flavonoids that help fight the free radicals. Sulfur compounds found in onions are also helpful in fighting the effects of cancer. Selection and storage. Onions are available in fresh, frozen, canned, and dehydrated forms. An onion shouldn't smell like an onion until you cut it. Avoid onions that are sprouting, are soft, or whose skin is wet. If stored at 55 degrees, contain all their vitamin C content for as long as 6 months. Thanks for watching. For prompt update and more videos on health and wellness, like and subscribe to my channel.